In this video, you will learn how to navigate the summary sheet in the bid room of Sage BidMatrix. The bid room is divided into 4 sections: the estimate sheet, the summary sheet, work breakdowns, and cost categories. When you enter the bid room, the summary sheet is the default view. You can also access it by clicking on the Summary Sheet tab. The toolbar on the summary sheet provides an option to expand all and collapse all. Depending on the current sort groupings, this will either expand all or collapse all groups in the current summary sheet view. You can collapse and expand individual groups by pressing the right arrow in front of the group name. Markups are added to the bid from the project summary sheet. To add a markup to the bid, click on the Totals Markups option on the summary sheet toolbar. Clicking on the Markups option will bring up a panel on the right side of the summary sheet. To add a markup, right-mouse click on any row in the Totals Markups panel. You will then have an option to insert a new markup above the row or below the row. If this is the first markup you are setting up for a project, right-mouse click on the Overall Bid Totals row and choose Insert New Markup below. After choosing to insert a new markup, you will then see the Add Markup window. This window is where you will determine the markup type, as well as the cost basis for the markup. You can use subcontractor attributes to calculate statistics. The statistics can track the total dollars awarded to subcontractors that match statistical configurations that you can create. You can configure statistics using subcontractor yes or no attributes and subcontractor multiple choice attributes. To add a statistic to your project, click on the Statistics option in the Summary Sheet toolbar. Clicking on the Statistics option will bring up a statistics panel on the right-hand side of the summary sheet. Click the Configure option at the top of the panel to configure a new statistic. Then click Add New Statistic to bring up the configuration window. Enter a description for your statistic. Next, choose from the drop-down list of possible subcontractor attributes that can be used as the basis of your statistic. Then, check whether the statistic you are tracking is based on total dollars awarded to subcontractors that match the attribute, yes or no value, or whether you are tracking a count, the number of subcontractors that match the yes or no value. Next, enter either a percentage target or a dollar target for the statistic. As you begin selecting subcontractors' bids to carry on the project, the statistics are updated in real time. You can set up as many statistics as required for each project. Select the Reports option on the toolbar to access HTML, Docs, and XLSX documents of each report. Add a report by selecting Add Report. Next, drag and drop, or browse, to the file to upload it. To print the summary sheet, click the Print option on the Summary Sheet toolbar. Click Export to export an Excel copy of the summary sheet. Select Push BI Data to push business intelligence data. Click Highlights to highlight defined data on the estimate sheet. The options are $0 phase and no sub-bids. Click the Views icon to show or hide layouts for the summary sheet view. Click the plus sign to add and delete custom layouts. Click the Current Users button to show or hide current users. Click the search icon to open the search box to locate information by specified terms. Click the Grouping option icon to group and sort however you choose, using the work breakdowns contained in the estimate. Choose from the rows and columns available drop-down options to change the view. You can sort by each column by clicking the column header. The direction of the arrow indicates ascending or descending order. Click the 3 lines to view other search options. You can drag and drop your columns to change their order. Click the 3 dots at the beginning of each row to view additional options. You can lock and unlock the bid. You can add a bid package and notes. For each section, you can view the scope. You can also lock and unlock the section. You have the option to add phases. Here you can copy and move a section to an alternate. You can add notes for each section. You can also open that section to view the details. And delete it here. Click any bid line to view the bid package page. Here you can view, add, and modify important information about the bid. You also have access to details, alternate breakdowns, clarifications, and history at the bottom. You now know how to navigate the summary sheet in the bid room of Sage BidMatrix.